Good morning. This is Jason Sen for ntmarkets.com. Weekly look at the markets. I want to start with WTI Crude today. You're looking at the daily chart and you can see we've had a good run up from around the end of February. We've got some trend lines on here. The one at the top joins the high from mid-September through to end of Jan, middle of Feb. And that trend line you can see as we bounced off the lows at the end of Feb, beginning of March, we've come back up to test that trend line. The last couple of days we've had a good go at it, but we haven't managed to close above it, and we're now backing away from there. So if you look at the stochastics down the bottom there, you see overbought, starting to turn a little bit negative. I think there's a good chance we've seen a top for that, 5-week rally in oil. We could head lower. 94.89 is a good target. We could even head back towards 91.14 over the next few days, but we'll have to keep an eye on that one. We also had a look at the yen last week. Have a look at that again. We were concerned because we were testing that uptrend line that you can see there in the chart, which started around the middle of November. So we've had a few months of a really good run. We've broken that uptrend line now and headed lower. We did have 92.09 as our target. We haven't quite got there, but we could see that still, 92.09. I would imagine we'll bounce off there because on the daily chart we are starting to get a little bit oversold. And then we'll have to see where we go from there. We could push up and retest the highs 96.71, or we may only just test the underside of that trend line around the 96.00 area, but one to keep an eye on, I think, there. Thanks very much. It's Jason Sen for ntmarkets.com.